Squirrel suit through the canyon, dude.
Another goddamn level.
That would be in.
It would be a good drop right here. I'm on a new level.
I'm on a new level.
I'm a squirrel suit this, guys. Hi, my name's Jonathan Leva, and this is the squirrel suit. Spraying some rocks like this that are all jagged and outward facing. Just fuck your whole life.
Just there'd be nothing left of you,
It would
dude.
just incinerate your arm as you like drag past, like.
Dude, could you imagine? No, just splat.
No, it's like dink. Like clipping would be way worse. You lose control. Just garbage into something like this. Like hit the very top of this, going like 100 miles.
Hell yeah. Got one guy trying to give up on us. Not happening.
We're gonna fucking make it.
I mean, look at the clouds we're in right now. Hell yeah.
It's cloudy.
Got it, Tyler?
Hey, people.
Okay. Here, Boris, let's get up on the side for him. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Whew. How much farther is it?
You got a little ways. You're getting there though. But once you get above all this crap, it's just clear.
Oh, you actually do get above it.
It's like a bold
Yeah,
note.
a couple hundred feet.
It's pretty crazy.
Awesome. Oh yeah, they do. They got a. Oh, they got some gnarly ass cleats, dude. Imagine kicking someone with those.
Oh yeah, dude, you didn't better. Look at the tracks right there.
Yeah, just.
Someone's good. I bet that would be better than walking on dirt.
Probably.
Could have bought some of those.
Dude, I can't believe we actually you get above this.
Like we're almost there.
We are.
We got a good ways
You
to
heard
go.
them.
We got a good ways to go. We're gonna make it up to 45 before we leave.
Said a couple hundred feet. No, a couple hundred feet is when we get above it. Do you really? Oh, he's getting photos.
I'm about to make a fucking ambience chopper call. Come pick me up.
You're not. I was about to say, I'm about to tackle Boris. No, I'm dragging him to the top.
Yeah, get up to the top, boys.
Totally worth this whole journey.
Woo! Yeah, we shouldn't cause an avalanche. My bad.
Oh my God. 13,000 feet in elevation.
That's big?
Yeah,
I know. I'm a big boy.
I know. Like, yeah, I told you, we're not that far. Probably about another mile left. This is where it gets like ultimately steep though. If you thought earlier was steep.
Hold on a sec. Okay, we're all doing good. I'm just watching our spacing.
I know. That's what I was doing earlier.
There's a perfect snowboard, bro.
Hey Dante, send it hard. Send it hard.
This rock's all facing upward like this.
Hey, get out of me.
Get upward.
Here, Dante.
Oh yeah, dude. My hair's actually frozen.
This trail goes on forever.
Feels like it's never gonna end.
Holy fuck, there's the sun.
Oh my god, dude, it like instantly clears.
So how about that?
The sun. Like instant clear.
Up here we have clear, and down there we got nothing.
Yep.
Like I said, it's rising up.
We gotta get up there.
Get it, guys. Last leg of the journey.
What do we want to reach the top of this?
How's that bag feeling, Tyler? Hey, if you're doing all right. So I might have spoiled your fun. Ooh, now I'm creeped out. Feel the vision's open.
I can feel the sun. Praise the sun! The Lord of Fire.
I always hate the Yarndale field. Fuck this field. This field's got shit. The absolute fire and dirty magic. Ugh.
We're going top of Winterhold.
Holy fuck. The throat of the world.
Yep.
No! Alright, I made it good.
Just up here looking for me. Oh, at this point, I'm all alone. Lost the guys somewhere back there. Kept taking breaks, and I want to get up there before sunset. Still got a little ways to go. I made it to the top of the saddle. Tired. I hurt. Keep telling myself that I can do this. I can do this. I can make the army. Boris, Tyler, you guys up here? Oh, fuck. Anyone up here? I need help.